may career akong pipiliin, dito na lang. Sa alam kong it will give me best of both worlds, that I'll have time freedom and financial freedom na in the future, I can do it. So sa akin, kaya hindi ko siya pinush kasi for me, I'm not worth 100 or 200,000. Siguro dahil malaki ako mangarap. Kaya I push through kasi alam ko that this opportunity will not give me only 400K because I know that's not my worth. I know I'm worth more than that. Kaya sabi ko, kung itatali ko yung sarili ko doon, in the next few years, sabihin natin, umabot ako ng 60 years old. Ito yung craft na gagawin ko dahil may paniniwala ako that repetition of something, you will master it. So kahit hindi ka magaling, for example, hindi ka pa magaling na nagbebenta ng burger, gagaling ka din eh. Bibilis ka rin eh. So sabi ko, lahat ng amateur, nagiging pro. So kung may career akong pipiliin, kung saan ako gagaling, dito na lang. Sa alam kong it will give me best of both worlds, that I'll have time freedom and financial freedom na in the future, I can do it. And then mas naniwala ako sa vision na kaya ko rin siya gawin na hindi ako aabot ng 60s. I just decided intelligently.